Alright guys, we got Joe here is going to do a little combo break. We got a couple boxes to start. 2015 Immaculate Football, and then we're going to do a full case of Civil War Appomattox. Good luck, buddy. Start off with the foosball. Alright, we will start with base to 99, Sammy Watkins. Mr. Watkins. Just going to get this focused up a little bit. There we go. Jumbo. Number 249, Matt Jones, Redskins. Acetate patch. Adrian Peterson, one color, 24 of 25. Acetate, rookie, Eric Rowe, to 99. Oh, that's a nice looking piece. Numbered, 6 of 10. Check out that patch. Part of the Vikings logo, Teddy Bridgewater. That's a nice piece. And rookie patch autograph, 28 of 99, Jay Ajayi. All right, solid box. Number 2. Got a fatty in the middle. To 99, base card, Deshaun Jackson. Oh, boy. Whoa. See, I told you there was not anything big that came out of this case. This is pretty massive. A.J. McCarron to 25. Alabama. Wow, this is pretty gross right here. Immaculate patches, numbered 8 of 8. We found ourselves a pirate. Jameis Winston. Dude, that is nasty. A little pirate ship there. Awesome hit, buddy. Congrats. Quad jersey. Amari Cooper, Kevin White, Devontae Parker, and Nelson Aguilar to 49. It's a ship from the Goonies. God, I love that movie. Numbered to 99, Trey Williams. Acetate rookie and 3-color rookie patch. Numbered to 99, not bad too. Devin Funchess. One-Eyed Willie's ship. Awesome. All right, buddy. That was the appetizer. We're getting ready to do the main course here. I'll cut off the video and we'll be back with historic autographs Civil War Appomattox right after this.